When you don't have a clear life purpose and you keep finding your life purpose throughout your lifetime but still feel lost, what you miss is that you are not listening to your inner calling. Your inner being knows what you want. Sit silently and ask yourself. You will always get an answer. You are too intelligent but badly influenced by the physical world. This world is an illusion. If you don't come out of this illusion, you will be entangled into it and will go deeper and deeper. Welcome, my friends, to this channel. I hope you are safe and healthy. You are just in the process of being good to awesome. If you like to be part of us, you can subscribe to this channel and remember to ring the bell notification so that whenever I upload a new content, you are the first one to access it. If you want to follow me on Facebook and Instagram, the links are in the description box. In order to get an answer, what must you do? So firstly, ask yourself these questions. First question, what comes in your mind when you think about your life purpose? Use the statement, I wish I became dash 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 and fill in the blanks without thinking. This way, note down the whole list which comes in your mind, like what do you want to become, any dream of your childhood which remains unfulfilled. If you will ask yourself these questions seriously, you will be surprised to find the answers. And when you get the answer, the whole quest of finding your true life purpose will be over. The answer you may find may sound funny, or you may feel unprepared, and it may sound childish too, but that's the answer which will give you the success you want. Some of you may not try to find your purpose or follow your inner calling because you feel pressure in terms of earning more money. When it comes to your finances, there is a societal vision of success in having more money, which means this vision shares the same belief in you that if you will follow your calling, you may not be able to earn big money. Let me ask you, how much money do you need to live a life of your dreams? It's not a philosophical question. Be real and make a budget. Don't worry, I know we all want unlimited money, but let's focus on making a budget for now to have a better idea to set the earning target. Be careful, I'm not talking here about your savings and investments. People are earning more and more because they want to save and invest for their future. But most of the people forgot to tell you that you need very little for your living, even if you fulfill all your desires. When you have extra money, you can invest that too. But don't burn yourself as of now for the extra. Currently, the target is to know how to live with fulfillment, right? So, have you made the budget? If yes, now the correct number is in front of you. Now, logically think whether you can earn that much or not with your dream if you follow it passionately, dedicatedly, and giving your best to it. I'm sure it's not unapproachable. Let's understand one crucial thing here. If you think you cannot live happily by following your calling, you are right. And if you think you can enjoy your life by living with your passion, you are right. Yes, you are right in both the cases. It's simple. What you believe in will happen. In both the cases, you must act and do the hard work. Now you must decide where you want to put your efforts, for yourself or for your boss. People follow societal norms by doing 9 to 5 jobs until their midlife. And after that, they start looking for options to fulfill their own dreams, which they may have left with their childhood homes. And now they are haunting them. Many of you can still shift, but sometimes it's too late to follow the dream because of physical and financial limitations. So decide now, in the beginning itself, what do you want to do and follow it without getting affected by the surroundings. The main thing you must focus in mind is having faith. Yes, having faith in your capabilities and trust in the higher powers is absolutely required here. Let me tell you, the faith and trust both needs to be 100%. There is no place for 80%, 70% or 50%. If you believe 50% in your dream or on your inner calling, you will receive 50% of the results. Choice is yours. Believe 100% and receive 100%. Choose wisely how much you love your purpose and how much you can dedicate yourself to your fulfillment. Be aware your faith will be tested throughout, which means you have to put efforts and difficulty will also come. But if you pass in this test, you will win. And even if you fail, you will learn. In both the cases, the win is yours. Even if you are not receiving success, don't worry. You will be blessed with unlimited opportunities to do your work. If you can fulfill your life purpose successfully, you will be content when you leave the planet Earth. Here, intention matters the most. Never compare your purpose with money. It is always an intention. Money will flow automatically. Money is just an energy and can be attracted by keeping the right mindset. Fulfilling the purpose is everyone's desire, and nowadays almost everyone is seeking the reason for their existence and purpose of their life. So here are your answers. I know it seems too simple to be true. Yes, it is simple, and simplicity works. People have made this concept too complex, but if you read biographies of successful people, they live with simplicity and focus on productivity. The simpler your life is, the better you found the clarity. With clarity comes planning, and planning with right actions brings success. So go ahead and make it true. If you like this video, please support by subscribing and sharing with your friends. Let me know in the comment section what do you want to see next. See you in my next video. Take care.